Today, I'm wrapped in my favorite white lace set, and I found myself drawn to the bathroom with a simple mission: to bring back the sparkle to the sink and the mirror. It's one of those small, often overlooked spaces that truly makes the whole room feel fresh. I start with the mirror. Even when it looks clean, there's always a faint haze, a memory of steam and toothpaste splatters. There's a rhythm to it, gentle, circular motions. Watching the haze disappear and the glass become truly transparent, reflecting the room with perfect clarity. Now, for the sink. I love this pristine white porcelain, but it tells tales of our morning routine. A splash of water here, a tiny speck of toothpaste there. I use a damp cloth, just a little gentle cleaner, and wipe it all away. The sound of the cloth gliding over the smooth, cool surface is so satisfying. I take a step back, leaning against the counter. The mirror is now a perfect, clear window. The sink is spotless, gleaming under the warm light. It's a small corner of my world that feels completely renewed. Thank you so much for sharing this peaceful moment with me. If you enjoyed